Clove and onion hairspray is a game changer for hair growth. I used this DIY clove onion recipe for a week and the results were shocking. It promotes fast hair growth, strengthens hair roots and adds natural shine to the hair. Wait until you see what this clove and onion hairspray did to my hair. I used it for just few days and my hair became thicker, softer and even fuller. Cloves are of great benefit to the hair. It boosts blood circulation, it strengthens the roots, it reduces itchiness, it stops breakage, it fights dandruff, it adds shines to the hair. Clove also contains antioxidative properties. Onion, on the other hand, boosts hair growth, it reduces hair fall, it also adds shine to the hair, it also fights dandruff and also strengthens the hair. I use one tablespoon of clove with small onion. You can add clove and onion hairspray to your hair care routine or hair care collections. This might just be your turning point. Try this clove and onion hairspray for 1 week and watch your hair transform. The best part of this combo for me is how my scalp felt so refreshed every time I sprayed it. No itching, no dryness, no smell once it's dried. Just clean, healthy and growth scarf. Would you like to try this? I bet you would enjoy it. So onto this, I have put my water pot to boil and I will go in with this clove and onions at once. Forgive me, I forgot to chop the onions, but then I still did that. When you're trying yours, make sure to chop the onions into smaller chunks. So this is how it is before I chopped the onions. The clove is already infusing into the water. It always amazes me how nature decides to bless us with recipes that boost our hair growth right in the comfort of our own kitchen. Please do well to try this combo for your hair and let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you've tried it. And this is how I cut down the onions into smaller chunks just so to make it more easier to boil. So after everything said and done, I will allow this to sit for 30 to 40 minutes on the fire before bringing it down. So once it is down something like this, so I'll allow it to cool first before removing the onions. I would just leave the water with the clove inside and I will just transfer it into my bottle. See how this clove has infused completely into the water, but then I'll allow this to sit for some days while using it. I'll refrigerate it, of course. So I'll move on to remove the onions because I don't need the onions right in this water anymore. I will remove the onions and just transfer all of that into my water spray bottle and I will use this 3 times in a week before dispatching it out. So please do well to try. Do not keep this clove water for too long, if not bacteria will set in it. You can refrigerate it and use it for a week or so. So this is what it is. I forgot to mention how heavenly the smell was when doing that process. It smells so good. Please do well to try this in your own home. Do not fall victims of getting these things online when you can do it right in your own home. So this is it. I would just close it and refrigerate it, but then I have to apply it on my hair because I feel itchiness on my hair recently, and yeah, I need to take care of that with this combo. So this is the final outcome of this combo. I love this color. It's giving this herbs color like that, and so this is it. I can't get enough of this. The bottle is clean and this is how it is. So I'll move ahead to section my hair and get this water infused deep into my scarf to give me that refreshing that I always wanted. So please do well to try clove water for your hair at home. Like, I don't even know what you're doing as a girly here if you don't have clove recipes as part of your hair routines, but then information is always power. Please do well to try this at home and let me know if you've done so. Remember to like this video. Please give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can push it to wider audience, okay? And also remember to turn on your bell notification icon so whenever I post things like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. So I hope you enjoy watching this And yeah, thank you. I would see you on my next channel, but then the video has not ended. You'll get to see how I apply this on my hair in moments to come. I love you all.